Tunchi, and this is Y.B.E.T.V. Today I got my man Stan Lovett, and he got a question for me about his trucking career. But before we get into that, we got to pay some bills. Hit me up at www.ybetv.org. Go down to Ask Tune, and you know what it is. You're going to shoot me a question. I'm going to shoot you an answer. But before we do that, we got to go to the sponsors. Go to www.ybetv.org/course, all lowercase, and you will definitely notice that we got a course right there for you that's $50. We going to teach you how to structure your business no matter what it is. Trucking, real estate, clothing, whatever you want to do, and we're going to teach you how to build business credit so you can get money without using your social security number. You already know what it is, but let's talk to Stan Lovett. His question is, what's up, Tune? What's up, broski? I'm thinking about getting my CDL Class A, but I don't know how to shift gears, and I don't have the money to attend trucking school. Please tell me the best way to go about this, and where should I go for training? Thank you, bro. Thanks for all the insight. It is so many directions you can go. You can go through the unemployment office. The unemployment office, from my understanding, you go in there and you ask them about getting a CDL Class A. They will definitely help you do that for almost free. You can go through schools like you could go through community colleges and see if they have a CDL program. Very cheap, very cheap, very cheap. And then also you can definitely go through a trucking school. You got a lot of trucking schools out here that will hire you on the spot soon as you finish. Now the only thing is they're going to rush you through the school so they could get you in a truck. But you definitely guarantee the job. Now, the only thing I'm going to say is like this. If you was out selling drywall and you wanted to learn how to sell it, would you want to go through a place that pushes you to sell drywall for them? Or would you want to go through a place that's going to just teach you the basics, teach you how to stay safe, teach you your situations, teach you the leads, teach you how to market, teach you everything that you need to know about selling drywall? That's what I say. Because when you got somebody that's standing to make thousands of dollars off of you by pushing a load in and not having experience, versus another person or people that has a job and make money off of you being safe and getting that load down, I think this is a no-brainer. You ain't even got to think about this. You ain't got to have a drink. You ain't got to have a cocktail. You ain't got to eat no shrimp. You ain't got to do absolutely nothing. Only thing you got to understand is the fact that their job is to make sure you are a safe driver. Their job is to make sure you can pass a test and get in the truck and make them some money. So that's my whole thing, man. Stan Lovett, you already know, man. I hope you enjoyed it. Stan, you already know what it is. Stan, and you already know you the man. Stan, if you don't want to end up in a box, think outside of it. YBE.
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.